6 years older than her brother Wayne. 3 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 38. We need to find their current age. So we have two types of information here. We have the relationship between the age of Jean and her brother. And then they also gave us another
3 years from now, their ages added up will become 38.
Yeah. So let's write both of that in terms of equations. First one, so Jean is 6 years older than her brother. J is current age, right? And W is Wayne's current age. It's always good to write that down, because you can also say J is age of Jean 3 years back. So I can do it either way, right? So let's say J is the current age. How can I write the first equation? J equals 6 plus W. This says Jean's current age is 6 years more than Wayne's current age. What will be their age 3 years from now? 3 years from now is it in the future or in the past?
Future.
So when you add. So we have to add both of their ages 3 years from now. So Jean's age after 3 years will be today's age plus 3. Wayne's age will be today's age plus 3. And they told us the sum of their ages 3 years from now, it will be equals to 38. So then I can say Jean's age plus Wayne's age plus 6. You have to add all the numerics. 6 equals 38. So we'll solve more examples of combining like terms and solving it. So if you get this, the rest should be easy for you guys, right? So how else can I write? J plus W equals
32.
Yeah, so I just subtract 6. 32. So if I just want to write in terms of J, isolate J from here. So J plus W equals 32. If I want to isolate J, J plus W equals 32. So you subtract W from both sides. So that becomes 32 minus W. I have two different equations which both equals to J. Then I can say 32 minus W equals 6 plus W, because both of those equations equate to J. Now I have to solve for the variable W. How should I do it? I want to get all the variables on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Since 32 is a larger number, I want to bring 6 to this side, left hand side. So I'll have a positive number. And then I have to take my W from left to right. Let's take W to the right side. So if I need to isolate 32,
32 minus W plus
W equals 6
plus W
plus W. So these are called additive inverses. So if the additive inverse of a number is a number that you add it to the number to get a 0. That's how you solve equations. Or you can also say that you're isolating it. Another trick is, so if it's minus W here, when you take it to the other side, it becomes plus W. Likewise, if it's whatever the sign is, it becomes the opposite sign when you bring it to the other side. And then you just have to simplify the like terms. Alright, so this becomes 32 equals 6 plus, what do I have? 6 plus 2W, because I have W plus W, which is 2W. Let's isolate W on the right hand side. So if I just have to have 2W, what should I do? I want to remove the 6. I have a numeric and 2w, right? 6 plus 2w. Subtract 6 from both sides. 32 minus 6 is 26 equals 2w. So w equals 13. So now I have age of Wayne. Can I calculate Jean's age?
It's not 26.
Equals 19. So the values I got are Jean is 19 years old today and Wayne is 13 years old today, and Jean is 6 years older than Wayne. Let's verify. What's the other piece of information that we have?
3 years from now, they would sum up to 38.
38.
So it
So
would be
3 years from now, Jane will be what?
Jane would be 21. 22.
And Wayne will be?
16.
And that would add to
38.
38.
And this equals the original number that they gave us in the question. Right? So that means our solution is correct.